Welcome friends, this is Dr. Vinay Bhavkar. Guys, today we are celebrating the International Day of Yoga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi begins his day with yoga and had in his speech at the United Nations in September made a strong pitch to observe an International Yoga Day, which has reportedly been supported by 50 countries, including the United States and China. While calling on member countries of the United Nations to celebrate June 21st as International Yoga Day, Mr. Narendra Modi had said, Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. As an Indian, I am proud and would like to congratulate Mr. Narendra Modi for his efforts. Friends, the yoga is a way of life, derived from the Sanskrit word yuja. Yoga means union of the individual consciousness or soul with the universal consciousness or spirit. Yoga is a 5000-year-old Indian body of knowledge. Though many think of yoga only as a physical exercise where people twist, turn, stretch, and breathe in most complex ways. These are actually only the most superficial aspects of this profound science of unfolding the infinite potentials of the human mind and soul. Friends, believe me, yoga is for all. One of the beauties of the physical practice of yoga is that the poses support and sustain you no matter how old or young, or fit or frail you come to your mat. As you age, your understanding of asana becomes more sophisticated. You move from working on the external alignment and mechanics of the pose to refining the inner actions to finally just being in the asana. Yoga has never been alien to us. We have been doing it since we were a baby. Whether it is a cat stretch that strengthens the spine or the wind relieving pose that boosts digestion, you will always find infants doing some form of yoga throughout the day. Yoga can be many things to many people, but we are determined to help you to discover your yoga, the way of life. Friends, Ayurveda, the science of life, has also an association with yoga. It is the world's most sophisticated and powerful mind body health system. More than a mere system of treating illness, Ayurveda is a science of life. It offers a body of wisdom designed to help people stay vibrant and healthy while realizing their full human potential. It uses the inherent principle of nature to help maintain health in a person by keeping the individual's body, mind, and spirit in perfect equilibrium with nature.